Hello everybody and welcome back to Cupcakeology. We would like to welcome you guys to another episode of Lovin from the Oven. We here at Cupcakeology are so happy to offer you guys our cupcake batter, our homemade cupcake batter. So not only do we offer this for commercial use, we are now extending it out to you guys. So you can come and buy a vanilla, a chocolate, or a red velvet cupcake batter from Cupcakeology.
That's right. And today from our cupcake batter, and this is something that you guys can make at home. It may look fancy, it may look like 5-star. You know, it came from Cupcakeology. However, with this batter, you can make it at home just like a pro. I don't care if you have absolutely no baking skills. This right here could be served by you to your family after Sunday dinner. Oh my goodness. And this is our coffee cake Cupcakeology style. But now with this batter, it can be your style.
That's right. And I want you guys to also remember at Cupcakeology, we don't just bake cupcakes and cakes. We make happiness in a box.